Hey insulators, from the control panel you have on this machine 2 plugs that go into the base. On the HP version you're going to have 3. It's real easy for some of these to come a little bit loose. So let's say you're set up, you've got the machine on, and your agitator's not working. The first thing to do is to check to make sure that your agitator is firmly plugged in. Sometimes there's a little bit of material that can get in here and cause a bad connection. All you need to do is just blow the material out and then plug it back in.